Today we have a code for p1157. This is going to be for the O2 sensor. This will be similar to the p01352 as well. So what you're going to need, a O2 sensor wrench, oxygen sensor wrench. Part number for this is 27162. That's all you really need just to take off the sensor, unless it's on there pretty tight. If it is, then you can actually use the socket style, which will actually work pretty good. We can get this from up on top from the car. We don't need to go under. It's fairly easy to get to. Part number for this guy is 25001 Bravo. B is in Bravo. And before, if anything, go ahead and like, subscribe, comment down below, and then hit the share button to share this around with the whole Honda community. Now this will be similar to the TSX, the Honda CR-V2 as well. And again, this is a 2007 Honda Accord 2.4, the super ultra light efficiency vehicle. This will be similar to previous years and after, for the same body style. And we'll go ahead and start this video after this intro. Too, when you're about to start the car, make sure that you have the paper clip disconnected, because you do not want this guy connected, and same thing for the other guys. So once you're putting back everything, you want to go ahead and put back everything the way how it was, with no other extra things connected. Same thing for the ECU harness, and then the paper clip, so you don't want to fry out anything. So we're gonna go ahead and disconnect our O2 sensor. So right here is the harness wire. Yours might be blue, but I've already replaced this one and it's defective. If you want to see how to test that, I do have another video of that, just to make sure, so you make sure that that is the issue. And then there's the connector right down below. There you are. And then on the black side, on the engine side, right, so on this side we're gonna go, not on the O2 sensor, so on the engine harness side, there's a little pin right behind here, so we're gonna go under and just push up and then pull right back, just like that. See, there's this little clip right there, so we'll just push that one right up, and then we'll go ahead and disconnect this by pressing this guy down and so forth. So I'm going to be accessing the O2 sensor from up top, so I'm going to kind of climb up here a little bit. Just make sure you watch out, if not you're going to lay in. So we'll go ahead and do that. So the O2 sensor is going to be right there where that wire's at. So this will be it right here. And then there should be it should be clipped in to a little harness right there, or like a harness holder. You just lift right up, you don't need to pry anything, and then we'll go ahead and just take that off. Alright, so here's our new sensor. Make sure that it wasn't previous installed or anything, because like I said, the one that I got was actually previously installed. Make sure that it still has its cap on it. I know Honda ones that do come. Now you want to keep with the OEM. You don't want to go with no aftermarket Walker, Bosch, because again, the code will come back up pretty shortly. So spend the extra couple bucks. Your car will actually run more efficiently with the original equipment. So we got this at the local auto parts store, so it's a little bit pricey as versus getting them online. So just remember the groove indentation. You want to try to look for key stuff. So this is like the original equipment. Well, this is the original equipment, so you just want everything that is similar in design. And then now we're going to be ready for the install. And then we're going to go ahead and connect this guy right here. There's this little rubber piece that we'll go ahead and put right there. And then we'll go ahead and get our connector, connect them. And then make sure that you hear a clip. Just like that. And then slide it right back into its area. Sorry about this cable being in the way. So we'll go ahead and just slide it just like that. And just like that, that's in there. Look what you taught her. Alright, so here's our codes. Don't worry about the evap one. So the p1157, so we're going to go ahead back and then we're going to clear the codes. Make sure that the key's in the on position but not running, because you can possibly damage something. So we'll go ahead and clear that. Alright, so after you got your codes checked up, obviously we're going to have to clear them. So p1157, and obviously don't worry about that second one because we're only worried about the first one. Then we're going to go ahead and clear the codes. Now you got to clear the codes with the key on the start or on the on position but not running. We'll go ahead and clear it. Okay, once the codes are clear, we're going to go ahead and start the car. And then we're going to give it about, I want to say like about a minute until see if it comes up. After a minute, if it doesn't come up, then you're good to go. So we'll let it run. Usually it would take about like 15-20 seconds for it to actually come on before. Alright, so it's been about a minute. Usually would come on about like 60 seconds. You can give it a little gas, but still the code's not coming on. If this video helped you out, comment down below, like, subscribe, and share. And remember, use the original equipment for this job. Trust me, it's well worth the extra couple bucks. Don't cheap out on it because the code will persist. For the secondary, the one after the cat, I wouldn't really worry about that one as much. It's the primary is the one that you really need to worry about, because that's the one that's going to let you either let your car know it's either running lean or rich, and that'll give you like better gas mileage when you use the original equipment on that. So again, thanks for watching the video, and then let me know if you have any questions in regard to this, and thanks for watching.